4 simple steps to make anyone love you. The last one is the most interesting and mandatory for everyone. There are people who simply have this quality. They light up the room, all eyes are on them. They are always in the spotlight and they do it naturally and effortlessly. What's their secret? It's called soul. Guess what? You can have it too. Here are 4 simple steps that will help you bring out your soul and brighten the world around you. Get ready to turn heads. Number 1. Be here and now. The quality of being centered is power and calm, confidence and grace, alignment and freedom. Being around people who are centered is simply wonderful because these qualities are so desired by us. We live in a busy world. So being a pillar of the world is a no season in a very dry desert. If you behave with grace and ease, undoubtedly people will want to be with you. Number 2. Be grateful. The reason why gratitude plays an essential role in attracting other people is that it puts you in a state of abundance. Abundance overflows. It wants to share. When you are filled with good vibes, others will come to you. Think about it. How is it to be around grateful, happy, free, and kind people? Quite beautiful, isn't it? Gratitude is overflowing. It's easy, cheerful, and appetizing. When you feel gratitude, you become one with this amazing energy. It is an absolute magnet for people. Number 3. Live your truth. People with this quality are self-confident. Not inflated with confidence. Not narcissistic. This is a deep confidence belief they know what they want and know they will get it. This kind of unwavering conviction is extremely attractive to us. Because it is what we all desire. We all want to know. We all want to be sure. We all want to believe. Therefore, those who live this way are completely irresistible to us. When someone speaks with conviction, we listen. We may not like what they say, but we will listen, and conviction attracts the crowd. Number 4. Love your city. Love your city. Love your home. Love your food. Love your dreams. Love people. Love what is easy to love and strive to love what is not so easy. When you love fearlessly, you shine. You are the light in the storm. You are the smile in the crowd. You are a breath of fresh air. Love is what it takes, puts heart and soul into everything you do. And people won't be able to take their eyes off you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos.